Welcome back, my dear students. So now we are fully done with each and everything. We are also done with the website loading speed. Now in this particular video, we're going to be making the website accessible to Google, and we're going to be providing the menu to the Google, like all of the website links that we want Google to crawl. So now if you go to the SEO settings by just going into the dashboard, and now if you go into the SEO settings, then in the SEO settings, we are already done with our, we have already told our plugin, like what we want to add or what we want Google to crawl our website. Like we have said that we don't want the post to be there. We have said that we want the pages and we only want the products. So now if you actually go to the features right here, and now if you go to the XML sitemaps, and now you click on see the XML sitemap, now you should see the sitemap index, and you can see that only those are coming that we have told our plugin to just add. Now before, you can see that in the previous videos where we were just taking a look at the sitemap, there were a lot of things. So now we have excluded some things. We are now getting the page, the product categories, and the product tags. So only these are coming, and these are the list of things that Google will crawl. Now remember one thing, in the future when you will be adding a product, now that will be automatically added onto the product sitemap XML page, so you do not have to worry about it either. Now this will be automatically done. These are the only settings that you need to do for the SEO. But now what you need to do is to just go onto your webmaster tools, and now you need to just work with the Google, and now we basically need to just send our submit our website to the Google Search Console. So what you need to do is to click on it, and it's going to open up this particular page in a new tab where now it will tell you to verify your ownership for iglowshop.com. Now you need to look for the HTML tag. So this HTML tag should be either in the recommended method, or it can either be in the alternate method as well, and you should see this HTML tag. So what you need to do is to just click on it, and now you can see that we have got this right here. So what you need to do is to now copy this, and now what you need to do is to open this up in a new tab, and now what you need to do is to paste whatever that was there. And right here, the content is equals to, in the inverted commas, there is actually a code. And what you need to do is to copy this code by just pressing Command C or Control C. And now what you need to do is to come up here, and now you need to paste it here, and now you need to hit Save Changes. So now once you are done with that, you can see that this is actually here. And now what you can do is that you can click on Verify, and it's going to verify your property ownership. So let's just go ahead and let's do that. And you can see it says great job, it's now verified. So now what you can do is that you can click on Search Console, and you will be taken to the Search Console right here. And now once you are in here, now what you need to do is to just click Add Property. So now what you need to do is to now enter your website address over here. That is iglowshop.com. So let's open up our website in a new tab, and now let's copy its address, and now let's just come up here and let's add it here. Do not add it in the domain, just add it in the URL prefix. And now what you need to do is to just hit Continue. And you can see it says ownership auto verified based on the HTML tag, and now you can click on Go to Property, and now you can see that we have got this iGlow shop right here. Now once you are in here, now what you need to do is to now submit your sitemap that you just generated like this, based by going into the dashboard features and then just clicking on the sitemap, and now you can just click see the sitemap. So this is actually your sitemap, right? Now what you need to do is to submit your sitemap. So what you can do is that you can click on the sitemaps, and now here it says add a new sitemap. So now what you need to do is to copy this right here that says sitemap underscore index.xml, and now you need to paste it here, and now you need to click on submit, and it's going to submit this particular sitemap. And now it says Google will periodically process, and it look for the changes, and you can see that the sitemap has now been submitted. So now Google will now crawl your website, and now your website is fully SEO optimized. So now it will take some time, like probably 6 months, 1 year, and you will see that you will start receiving traffic. And a time will come when your revenue will be doubled. Trust me. So this is how the SEO works, and it just basically multiplies. So now we are fully done with our website SEO. Our website is also submitted to google.com. Now let's just go ahead and let's submit our website to the other search engines as well. So what you need to do is to just click cross over here, and let's go to the dashboard. So let's just go to the general and let's click the webmaster tools, and now let's verify our Bing. So what you need to do is to just click on this Bing, and it's going to take you to the Bing webmaster tools, and now it will tell you to log in. So let's wait. So now here it says Microsoft Bing, and now here it tells you to log in. So what you can do is that you can sign in with your Microsoft account, you can sign in with your Google, and you can just go ahead and you can work with it. So now what you can do is that you can select the service. So let's suppose that I just select Facebook. It's going to redirect me to Facebook, and it's going to ask for the verification. And now once it is done, you can see that I'm right here, and now it is asking me to whether you want to create a new site. So once you are actually logged in, now what you need to do is to click on it again, and now it will take you here. All right, so now what you need to do is to now click add a website, and now here it says add your website manually or already verified on Google Search Console. You can import your website from there as well. So let's just go ahead and let's click add our website manually, and let's just paste in the address. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna copy the link of our website, and now we're gonna just come up here and paste the link over here. And now what we will do is that we will click on add over here, and this website is then going to be added. So let's wait for it. And now here you can see that here it says choose one of the verification method. So you're going to click on HTML tag, and now you are going to copy this content that is coming here. So let's just go ahead and let's copy this content, and let's come up here into the Bing verification. I think it wasn't copied. All right, this isn't being copied, so I'm going to copy the full URL. I'm going to paste it, and now I'm going to copy it from here. Just press Command C to copy. And now just come here and paste it here. And now once you're done with that, now what you need to do is to just hit save changes. And now what you need to do is to just hit verified until this page gets reloaded and this is done. So now the settings has been saved, and let's just hit verify. So once this is actually verified, so now if it doesn't work, then what you can do is that here it says upload an XML file to your web server. So what you can do is that you can download this XML file, and you can download this right here, and you can see that this is actually download, and you can see it says upload the file to the root directory of your website. So what you can do is that now you can log into your website root directory by just going to my.bluehost.com. And now once you are in there, now what you need to do is to enter your domain name and enter your password, and you should be logged in. So once you are actually logged into your Bluehost panel, now you need to click on Advanced so that you are actually taken to the cPanel. And now once you are in here, now what you need to do is to just click File Manager over here, and you should be taken to the File Manager. And now you can click on this public_HTML, and now just add the file. So we'll click on upload over here, and now we're going to drag the file that we just downloaded, and we're going to drop it here, and this is going to be here. Now you can click go back, and if you just go ahead and you reload this, you can see that we've got this Bing site authentication. You can now click on verify over here, and it is going to be verified. It says your domain is now added to the Bing webmaster tool. So now you can see that we are now fully done. And now you can select the website from here, that is the iCloseShop.com. And now you can click on the sitemap, and here it says submit a sitemap. So now you can add the sitemap URL by just going into the dashboard and features, and just go into the XML sitemaps, open the link, and now you basically need to copy the link right here. So let's just go ahead and let's copy the link. Let's come up here and let's paste it, and now let's hit submit, and you can see that now this is actually submitted, and now it is sent for processing, and it will take some time, and it's going to be processed. Now when anyone will use bing.com to search for your particular website, your website will come up there because now it will be indexed by the Bing search engine. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at another one, and let's work with another search engine right here. So now let's just go ahead and let's work with the Yandex over here, and let's close our tabs. Let's click on the Yandex, and it's going to take us to the Yandex right here. And now it will tell you to log in. So if you do not have an account, you can create an ID. And once you log in, all you need to do is to hit log in. Now what you need to do is to get your phone, and you should see a code over there. So what you need to do is to enter your code that you received. The code in there. Now what you need to do is to now copy your website URL by just clicking copy, and now just come up here and paste it. And let's just come up here, let's just right click on it, let's just click copy link address, and now you need to paste it in here, and now you have to hit add. So once you're right in here, it says this HTML5 and meta tag. So what you need to do is to now copy this meta tag that is coming. Just click Command C to copy. Just go to the Yandex and then just hit save changes. And now the changes will be saved, and now you can just come up here and you can hit check. Alright, so let's just hit check. And the check is in progress. And let's wait for some time in this. And when this is actually done, it's going to be approved. Alright, so here it is. Tell us what you plan to use Yandex for, so you can just disregard that. And now you need to go into the indexing, and now you need to go to the sitemap files, and now you need to add your sitemap. So you can now go to the features, and you can click on the sitemap. Now you can copy the link address. And once you have copied this, now you can come up here and you can paste it, and now you can hit add, and now this is actually processing. So now all these three verifications are done. Now if you basically are from China or anywhere near that, then you can go ahead and you can add your website to this Baidu search engine, if you understand that, and then you can just hit log in, create your account, and you can just add your verification there. So this is for that. Now these three are like very important and used globally, so you can go ahead and you can use that. Now we are fully done with our SEO section, and now it will take some time, probably like 6 months or a year, and you will start receiving a lot of traffic. So stay tuned guys, and bye bye.